Hello guys, have you ever got stuck while going uphill on your adventure bike? Now I will show you how you can recover if your bike gets stalled. Let's go do it.